Hello children, good morning. All of you take your book English first lesson lesson 6. Countable and uncountable nouns. English first lesson 6. Countable and uncountable nouns. Okay. So all of you see what such nouns are called countable. Sorry. Look at the following pictures. Who is countable and which is uncountable nouns? See in your book. A book, two books, five books. So books are countable. A bag, two bags, five bags. A cat, two cats, five cats. All the above nouns can be counted by us. Such nouns are called countable nouns. Countable nouns can have singular or plural forms. Article a or an is always used with singular nouns. A doctor, an apple. So all of you know article a or an is always used with singular nouns. Okay. Article the can be used before singular countable nouns and plural countable nouns. Okay. The boy, the boys. You can use the following words before plural nouns. Many, some, few, all, no, any, enough. Examples: many students, some mangoes, few chair, all girls, no photographs, any stamps, enough cloths. Look at the following picture and read the word: milk, water, bread, blood, flour, smoke, wood, furniture, news. So all of you know all the above nouns can be counted by us, and such nouns are called countable nouns. Now all the above nouns can't be counted by us. Such nouns are called uncountable nouns. And uncountable nouns can only have singular form. Article a or an is never used with uncountable nouns. You can use the following words before uncountable nouns: some, much, little, enough, all, no, any, sufficient, whole. Example: some rice, much sample, little knowledge, enough money, all wood, no common sense, any book, sufficient water, whole attention. The easily way to find out countables or uncountables: you can easily find out whether a noun is countable or uncountable by asking yourself the following easy questions. Can I put article a or an before the noun? Can I put the number before the noun to change it into plural? If the answer is these question is yes, the noun is countable. If you can count, you can put article a or an before nouns. Okay, and you can put the number before the nouns, so that is noun who is countable. Okay, and those who have no any number, you can no put article, that is uncountable nouns. Okay, fill in the blanks with much or many. So all of you fill in your book page number 28. How milk is there in the pot? You can count the milk? No. Next, second, how frogs are there in the pond? You can count the frogs now. So write here how many. M-A-N-Y, many, because you can count the nouns. Now next, how matchsticks are there in the matchbox? You can count matchsticks now. So write here many. M-A-N-Y, many. Next, how water is there in the jug? Water is uncountable. So write here much. Next, how tea is there in the flask? So tea is also uncountable. So write here much. 6. How chair are there in the classroom? You can count no chair. So write here many. How many? Number 6, many. 7. How fresh air there in the room? Uncountable fresh air. So write here much. Much. How books are there in the bookshelf? Books are countable. So write here many. 9. How birds are there in the cage? Birds are also countable. So write here many. 10. How juice is left in the bottle? Juice is uncountable. So write here much. Okay. Now next, write C for uncountable and U for countable nouns. See in your book. Those who are countable write C, those who are uncountable write U. So write for chair C, because chair is countable. Next, rice for U, uncountable. Butter for uncountable U. Eggs for countable. So write here C. Salt is uncountable. So write here U. Tomato sauce is uncountable, so write here U. Chips is countable, so write here C. Chickens are uncountable, so write here U. Tomato is countable, write here C. Orange is countable, so write here C. Leg piece is countable, so write here C. Burgers countable, so write here C. Juice uncountable, so write here U. Breads are countable, so write here C. This one also has sandwich is countable, so write here C. Capsicum you can count, so write here C. Milk uncountable, so write here U. Potato countable, so write here C. Kheer uncountable, so write here U. Cakes countable, you can write here C. Radish countable, so write here C. Curd uncountable, so write here U. Onion countable, so write here C. And these peas are uncountable, so write here U. Tea uncountable, so write here U. Okay. So lesson 6 is completed. I am sending you PDF, so you can write in your copy. Now lesson 6 I am teaching you in our next video. Okay. All of you fill in your book. Okay. Thank you and